Welcome to Martin Invest and IMO, where luxury meets opportunity and every investment tells a story of success, sophistication, and style. Here, we don't just manage properties, we create experiences, build legacies, and redefine the meaning of living exceptionally. Sparkle's Martin Invest and IMO. Invest smart. Live exceptionally. In this video, we are pleased to talk about Caribe Campo one-bedroom apartment for sale in Sosua, Dominican Republic, only $95,000 US. Looking for your perfect Caribbean getaway or a smart investment property? Welcome to Caribe Campo, one of Sosua's most established and peaceful gated communities, just minutes from beaches, restaurants, and downtown Sosua. Sparkle's property highlights: house with garden, one spacious bedroom, bathtub, one bathroom, fork and knife with plate, fully equipped kitchen, palm tree private balcony with tropical views, droplet beautiful community pool and gardens, locked secure gated complex with 24/7 security, round pushpin excellent location, 5 minutes to Sosua Beach, money bag asking price, $95,000 US, light bulb ideal for full-time living, vacation rental, or your Caribbean home away from home. Key features: heavy checkmark, one of the largest pools in Sosua man swimming. Heavy checkmark, affordable HOA fees, only $2.50 per SUM/month money back. Heavy checkmark, generator backup for uninterrupted electricity high voltage. Heavy checkmarks, 24-hour security with a staffed front desk stop sign. Heavy checkmark, rooftop patio access for owner sunrise. Heavy checkmark, free on-site parking automobile. Heavy checkmark, lush tropical gardens, and a covered common area direct hit ping pong. Heavy checkmark, electricity rate, 14.5 pesos per kWh. Round pushpin location, straight ruler 1 kilometer from downtown Sosua and beaches waterwave. Round pushpin popular, beautifully. Mobile phone with arrow, contact us today. Telephone receiver WhatsApp +1 829 819 8873. Let us help you find your piece of paradise in the Dominican Republic. Clappermore hope the video was enjoyable for you. If you enjoy this video, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell for more updates. Subscribe to this channel to stay connected with Martin Invest and IMO. Schedule new video twice a week. Bell, stay connected. Follow us on social media for the latest news and exclusive offers. Stay connected. Red Heart subscription link, https://www.youtube.com/@martiniinvestimo. Caribe Campo condo 1-bedroom 95K Sosua, Dominican Republic real estate. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.